Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing facial scrub at home. So take a spoon of coffee, spoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon. Well, I use Nescafe's coffee, Dabur honey, and lemon all the way from our local market. Make a thick paste like this. And now wash your face and gently massage this coffee scrub on your wet face. Don't be harsh on your skin, be very gentle. So when you're done scrubbing, wash it off with cold water. And then dry your face with a soft towel. And don't forget to moisturize. My face feels clean, bright, soft, and glowy. Guys, be honest. When your skin looks better, don't you feel better about yourself? Don't you feel more self-confident? We do, right? But I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, but these skincare products are ridiculously overpriced. And I agree. But I say skincare doesn't have to be expensive. So if we don't have the luxury, we can always go for those simple, affordable ingredients which are easily accessible and can have more powerful positive effect on our skin. Like this coffee scrub, for example. However, I want to add, so whenever you're trying something, listen to your skin. You know, what works for others might not work for you. So listen to the needs of your skin. And so try this coffee scrub. If it makes your skin happy, include it in your skincare routine. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Keep glowing. Bye bye.